Hi, I'm Andy Alloway. I'm the owner of Nebraska Realty. Today I just wanted to give you a quick look into the real estate market in the first half of 2017 in the Omaha area. Let's take a look. First thing we looked at is this is a kind of a rolling 12 in terms of over the last 12 months, how many homes have closed in the Omaha area. Keep in mind the last 4 years have been 4 consecutive record years for home sales in the Omaha area. And this one has been shaping up pretty good, although not quite a record year to date through the 6 months. But primarily that's due to an inventory shortage more than anything because the demand is very significant. Looks like so far year to date that in June, average monthly through the first 6 months, 1,600 listings on average have been listed each month. About 1,200 to 1,300 have gone under contract on average each month, and about 1,134 have closed on average each month. So that puts us at a pace slightly behind last year. Year to date, we're down about 3% in solds, but in June so far, we're actually up 4% in terms of number under contract. So again, the demand is significant. The volume is good. It is the lack of inventory that remains a challenge. And one of the things you can see here is the overall absorption rate. So this generally means that 2.2 number equates to the amount of inventory that we have, the number of months of supply. And as we broke it down by price ranges, you can see in the $100,000 to $250,000 price range, it's a 1.1 absorption rate through the first 6 months of the year. That basically means that we've got 1 month of supply in that particular price range. So good for sellers, not great for buyers. It should be more in about the 5 range, about 5 months of supply. On the flip side, you can see if you're one of those folks that's selling $1 million+ home, we've got about 21 months of supply there on that. So it takes a little bit longer. Doesn't mean it won't sell right away, but it's got to be the right house. So in terms of inventory, that's kind of what we're looking at. The other thing that's kind of key is how the prices have appreciated over the last 4 years. This is a graph showing 14 through 2017, and the average price in Omaha was $181,000 4 years ago. So far through the 6 months of this year, it's $212,000. So that's significant appreciation of almost 6% year to date average. And that's kind of where it's been tracking the last 4 or 5 years, is about a 6% appreciation rate, which is pretty big for Omaha. So, it probably at some point, we don't know when, we'll probably have to steady out a little bit. Same thing with the median, is tracking about 5.5%, 6%. New construction, $331,000. That is a significant number for the Omaha market. That's the average sales price for a new construction home, up 4.6% from this time last year. And then your existing residential home, the average there is $193,500. So very significant. Still, we're about 71% of all homes that sell in the Omaha area are under $250,000, and that's where our biggest inventory shortage is. And then also you can see the average and median days on market and how that's gone down as well. Again, in those price ranges, 100 to 250, the biggest demand. The average is about 18 days on the market. The median is 4 days on the market. Then if you get up to the higher price ranges, obviously there's more new construction out there available. So there's more supply, and it may take a little bit longer to sell some of those properties. Overall market, 28 days on the market is average. Nebraska Realty beats that by over a week, so we're only 21 days on average. And through the first 6 months of this year, Nebraska Realty was involved in about almost 21% of all home sales through the MLS in Omaha. So we're excited about that. Our market share has steadily grown as we've grown. In fact, we've increased our size in the last 2 years by about 50%. So we're really happy and excited about our growth, our new Papillion office, our Lincoln office, and so it's been an exciting time for us. So if you want any more information about Omaha area market statistics, please contact us. Go to our website. We have our new site coming out shortly, and we'd love to talk with you. Thanks for watching today.